How to turn off Discord notification sound. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch your browser. Now type in discord.com and open by tapping or clicking on enter. Depending upon your network connection, it will take a few time to load. After that, you will land on interface of Discord. Click Open Discord and make sure that you log in with your credentials. Click on User Setting icon at bottom left. Scroll to this User Setting at bottom. Now choose Notifications and you need to scroll down. Here you will get the option to disable the notification sounds of messages, deafen, mute, unmute, and many more. If you wish to toggle the button off for messages, then click on the button until it turns on gray color. But if you wish to disable all the notifications, then you need to make sure that you toggle the button on for disable all notifications. And here you can see that all the notifications on Discord has been turned off. If you wish to turn off communication emails notification, then you can toggle the button off in this way. Scroll down. So in this way you can easily turn off all the Discord notifications. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.